Has your Ruby on Rails application been showing its age for quite some time? Is your team regularly fighting technical debt? Are you stuck on some older version of Ruby or Rails because of some dependency that some other developer added to your code base years ago and you're a little nervous about removing it or trying to upgrade it because you're not sure how it's going to break things because there's not enough test coverage? Well, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Robbie. I'm the CEO of Planet Argon and the creator of Oh My Z Shell. I'm also the host of the Maintainable Software podcast, where I speak with people about these types of topics across all different programming languages and frameworks and technology stacks. But for you Ruby on Rails developers, I have something special. I encourage you to subscribe to Maintainable Rails. It's an email-based series of tips, thought experiments, questions, and little homework assignments and resources that are going to show up in your inbox on a regular cadence and get you and your team thinking about ways to improve the overall maintainability over the long term of your Ruby on Rails application. It's completely free. Simply pop over to maintainablerails.com and subscribe. You can opt out at any time if you want. Everybody gets the same email-based course whenever you sign up. I've been working on this for a little over 3 to 4 years now. We have over 1,300 developers that have already subscribed. Maybe today you should subscribe as well. Thank you, and long live Ruby on Rails.